It's time. Yes, indeed, time for gym time. Jim. Hi, Jim.
Hi, Wimee. Hi, friends. I need you to share a pair of opposites today. Say, for example, fast and slow.
Fast.
Because
Slow.
I'm fast. I'm very, very fast. I'm faster than a fast monkey. I'm slow. I'm very, very slow. I'm slower than a slow monkey. We got hot and cold. I'm hot. I'm very, very hot. I'm hotter.
It's summer.
I need a drink of water.
Yeah, me too.
Then a hot monkey. I'm cold. I'm very, very cold. I'm colder. Ooh, this kind of looks like a scarf. Like, where am I?
Oh,
Guitar strap as a scarf. Then a cold monkey. Ooh, up and down. I'm up. I'm very, very up. I'm upper. Is that upper? More
Upper.
up. Then an up monkey. Either one's fun to say. I'm down. Wait, I gotta get really down here. I'm very, very down.
oh, I'm all the way down.
I'm downer.
No, I'm all the way down, Jim. I still see your head. I can still see your head.
Then a very down monkey.
That's okay.
I'm happy. I'm very, very happy. I'm happier than a happy monkey.
Hey, monkeys!
I'm sad.
Oh no! Oh no!
I'm very sad. I'm sadder
I'm sad too.
than a sad monkey.
We gotta cheer up, Jim. Cheer up.
In and out.
In.
I'm in. I'm very, very in. I'm with the in crowd, like an in monkey.
Oh, I see what you did there.
Gotta leave again too. I'm kind of tethered here, but wait, I'll leave here.
Okay, me too.
I'm out.
You're gone.
I'm very, very out.
No, Where'd you go?
I'm more out than an out monkey.
That's really far out.
Where's my
Oh,
guitar?
you're back.
Oh, I'm back.
Okay. Me too. Whew.
Fast, slow, fast, fast, slow. Are you fast or are you slow? Woo!
I'm both.
Me too. That was a good workout.
Man, we were down to the ground.
We were down to the ground. We were in. We were out. We were up. We were down.
Hot and cold.
Thanks for your ideas, friends. That was a really fun one.
That was
You
great.
and you can keep thinking of opposites all day long, and you can be those opposite kind of monkeys.
Okay, I'm on it, Jim. Thanks, Jim, and thanks for being here throughout the show as my human intelligence. What other opposites are there? Hot, cold, up, down, left, and right. Left, right, left, right. Which is left? Is that's my left? But I think this is your left because what you're seeing is the opposite. Okay, anyway. Oh, the opposite. That was a song about opposites.